It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Want to be an informed consumer when it comes to home improvement projects? Of course you do! David Dolan from Remodeling Cabinets is here to invite us to a fantastic event happening just next week, October 20th from 10 to 2.
Yeah, we're really excited. This is our semi-annual event and it's filling up fast, so please go online and register.
So it happens at the Reborn Cabinet showroom, which is located where?
6615 Flanders, right on the corner of Flanders and Mira Mesa Boulevard.
And you can reserve your space at approvedhomepros.com/reborn. But what is the crux of this event?
This event is really about customer education, and people are going to find out when they're getting ready to do a project, when it comes to hiring a contractor, the things to look for and the things to avoid. And then when it comes to doing the actual project, whether it's a kitchen or bath, we're going to cover a wide variety of subjects so that you're informed, you can make an informed decision when you get ready to do your project.
Which is so important. Why does Reborn approach this Learn from the Pros event that way?
Well, it's one of our core values is that we care. And we feel like when we put everything out there for our customers and we're transparent and they see everything that we do, they can make a well-informed decision. And they can feel good about their decision and beautify their home.
And the Reborn Cabinets showroom is absolutely stunning, so they're going to get blown away right off the bat just with these great examples of the work that you guys can do. So it's kind of a subtle sell, because this is not a sales event for Reborn.
No, it's not. And when people come in and see the vignettes, now they can really picture what their kitchen or their bathroom is going to look like if they choose to do a project.
So other than incredible information and a Q&A session where you can really get your personal questions answered, what else is happening at this event?
Well, you're going to learn the difference between doing a project for your kitchen in a wood versus an opaque varnish versus a thermofoil. You're going to learn little things like what's the difference between butt joint drawers and dovetail drawers. So these are all little things that make a big difference when it comes to doing a project. People get excited about it.
Absolutely, and of course you will be fed. There's going to be a lovely spread going on. There's some cooking demos and of course opportunity to win prizes, right?
Yeah, there is. We'll have door prizes, drawings. There's just lots of things going on. So come on down. We're excited to have you.
Let's give out that address one more time.
6615 Flanders, corner of Flanders and Mira Mesa Boulevard.
And this event is filling up, so you want to join us on October 20th from 10 to 2. It's only 1 week away and you need to reserve your spot at approvedhomepros.com/reborn so you don't miss out on this free event.